Hello students, we'll see the first problem under the byproducts. Okay, see the page number 46 and question number 16. Page number 46 and question number 16. Section C, this is 24 marks question. See, a factory producing article P also yields Q and R as the byproducts. The joint cost of manufacture is material 1000, labor 20,000, overhead 80,000, total is 2 lakh. Subsequent expenses are as under. Subsequent expense nothing but post separation cost, right? Materials, labor, overhead is given, selling price different is given, estimated profit on selling price also given. Show how you would apportion the joint cost of production and prepare the necessary accounts in respect of P, Q and R. Now see, this is a question, right? See, now we have to apportion the joint cost of production and prepare the necessary accounts, right? Okay, first we'll start statement showing the allocation of the joint cost. Joint allocation of joint cost. First, the method C. First, we have to write the selling price. Under this C, P is the main product, Q and R are the byproducts, right? Okay. Selling price C. How much is the selling price? Main product P, byproducts Q and R, right? Main product P, Q and R. Okay, how much is the selling price given in the problem, right? Selling price 1,50,000, 1,20,000 and 1 lakh, right? Now minus is the reverse methods. See, otherwise how we are writing the cost sheet? First we have to write the cost, then we have to add the profit. Okay, then we are getting the selling price. Cost plus profit is equal to selling price. Now here the reverse method. Selling price is first. Okay. After that we are deducting the profit. We are deducting the profit from the selling price, means we are getting the total cost, right? So selling price minus profit. Profit C. How to find out the profit? Profit estimated 30%, 25% and 20%. So 1,50,000 into 30%, 1,20,000 into 25%, 1 lakh into 20%. This is the 45,000, 30,000 and 20,000. Now remaining is the total cost. Okay, selling price minus profit is equal to total cost, right? Next, minus subsequent or separate cost. We have to deduct this subsequent or separate cost because we need here only the joint cost, right? We need only joint cost. So now under the joint product or byproducts, okay, how we write the cost, how you pay the selling price? Selling price is equal to first joint cost plus subsequent cost equal to total cost plus profit, okay, plus profit, then we are getting the selling price, right? Okay, how? First joint cost plus subsequent cost equal to total cost plus profit equal to selling price, right? Now from the selling price we deduct the profit, right? We deduct the profit, means we got the total cost. From the total cost, if we deduct the subsequent cost, means we are getting the joint cost, right? So here we need the joint cost. So selling price minus profit, we getting the total cost. From the total cost we have to deduct the separate cost or subsequent cost, then we getting the joint expenses or joint cost. Now subsequent expenses or separate cost, see, it's given subsequent expense differently, right? Material 16,000, 6,000, 8,000 and for a byproduct Q 15,000, 3,000, 7,000, then R 11,000, 5,000, 4,000. Then joint expenses or joint cost, that is the 75,000, 65,000 and 60,000, right? Joint expenses or joint cost. Okay, now here see, show apportion the joint cost of production and prepare the necessary accounts in respect of P, Q and R. Apportion of the joint cost is over. Now we have to prepare the separate accounts P, Q and R. First main product, which is the main product? P's account, right? It's similar. write the expenses under the debit side and incomes or sales under the credit side. See, under the main product P, first one is the two types of expenses, joint expense and subsequent expenses, right? Joint expense, how much is the joint expenses for the P? How much? It's given 75,000. By two joint expenses 75,000. One more is two subsequent expenses. Under the subsequent expenses, same. See the question. How much is there? 16,000, 6,000 and 8,000. We have to write 6,000 and 8,000. Okay. Then we have to write the credit side, sales, right? By sales is given how much? 1,50,000 for P. Okay. After that, we have to see whether profit or loss. That is the profit. How much? 45,000. Okay. Now see byproducts account. That is Q and R. Separately we can do. Otherwise together we can prepare. Okay. Q and R. Same. Joint expenses. Okay. See here we calculated 65,000 and 60,000. Then subsequent expenses. See materials and labor and overhead. Then sales right 1,20,000 and 1 lakh. Then profit and loss account is how much? Profit 30,000 and 20,000. It's very easy problems. Okay, it's for 24 marks, only this much. Okay. Next we'll see the one more problem under the same page number 46, question number 15, section C, 15th problem. Mayura company produces A as a main product, B and C as its byproducts. The following expenses have been incurred for the above products. See, joint expenses given in the problem, separate expenses are given, material, labor, on cost is nothing but overhead cost. Okay, it's not on cost, it's a on cost is nothing but overhead cost. Selling price, profit on sales. Show the methods of apportionment of the joint expenses and also prepare the necessary accounts. It's also very easy. Same type of problem. See, okay, quickly I will explain. Statement showing the allocation of the joint expenses, right? First we have to write the selling price. Selling price is given how much? 21,000, 10,000 and 9,000. Then profit 50%, 50% and the 33 1 by 3%, right? 3%. This is 10,500, 5,000 and then we are getting the total cost. Then minus subsequent expenses we have to deduct. It is given, right? Material 2,000, 1,500, A, B 900, 800, 300, C 1,300, 800 and 400. Then we got the joint expenses. Allocation of the or apportionment of joint expenses is over. Now prepare the one by one account. Main product account, A account. Same joint expenses, subsequent expenses, write the sales. Then the difference is profit. That is the 10,500. Next, byproduct B and C account, same joint cost already calculated here, 3,000 and 3,500. Then sales given in the problem 10,000 and 9,000. Then write all the subsequent expenses. Then write the two profit and loss account. This is the profit 5,000 and 3,000. Okay, this is about the second similar problem. There is only the figures are changed. Okay, we'll see some other problems in the next class. Thank you.